Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record yourself and your screen at the same time. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to record yourself and your screen at the same time, you can use this application, Microsoft Clipchamp. So first of all, make sure you have downloaded and installed this application on your laptop or computer. And after you have installed this application, you can open it and you can click on create a new video. We're going to start creating new project and we're going to select this option, record and create. And then since we want to record ourselves and our screen, we can select screen and camera. Okay, and I'm going to start the recording. Okay, and then I'm just going to select this window and click on share. Okay, and now the recording is being started. Okay, and if we want to stop it, we can click on stop sharing. Okay, and now the recording is being started. Alright, and now my video has been recorded guys, and if you're not satisfied with the recording, you can click on retake recording. But if you want to save it, you can click on save and edit. And then you will be able to edit your recording with this Microsoft Clipchamp. Alright guys, and that's all the way to record yourself and your screen at the same time using the Microsoft Clipchamp. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.